GVC Unpacking form is a crowdsourcing space to list any standard or content connections that we can make, as well as link any lessons, resources, or curriculum that we want to remember or consider for these specific standards. So for the top box, just please list any other content connections that you think are appropriate for this standard or these lesson objectives. We want to see things that help incorporate writing or science, social studies, even math, or VAPA connections, as well as if this is an enduring standard, maybe what are the worth being familiar with or the need to know standards that also correspond with this or support this standard. And then again, any other great lessons, resources, or curriculum that you have, even if it's in a specific curriculum that we have or in a special book that you have on your shelf in your classroom that you would like to share with the rest of the district PLC, we want to make sure that we have space for that as well.